There's not much to do when all I can is thinking about you.
You guys, I'm doing Omugwo. So we just finished bathing our baby. You can see the water. So they bathe her with bitter leaf because of jaundice. I don't know if you guys do it in your place, but here in Delta State, Urobo precisely, once they give birth to a baby and the baby has jaundice, they bathe the baby with bitter leaf and one native leaf like that.
Thank you, my baby, oh my chamo, oh yo yo. Nobody they do me like you, my baby, oh baby, my baby, oh baby, my baby, oh sweetie. Nothing they sweet to me like you, my baby, my honey, oh my chamo, oh yo yo.
I should carry all of them come on. Abi might just pick her cream. This is powder. Is it this one that is that? This one is face cream. Now this face cream. I know, yes, it's a touch. Okay, lotion. This one is baby lotion. Take. Wow, my baby is all dressed up. See baby now. Hey, God. So born again, don't they hungry meal? After seeing this baby, I feel like to go born tomorrow. Hey God. I for sure not the mama, but she just naked anyhow for it. Cannot come and expose person wife. Am I not gonna love you? Hey, see as your hair is glistening. You are glowing, baby. Oh, so cute. Wow. See gadget now. We not follow for overall and pinipinio. We go pink. We are pinging below I don't talk out of point. Pinging at 1 week old. This is what we call pinging at 1 week. Our shakara don't start. Not be boy, they see for them. Baby boy. Why you buy baby boy? No, what's the right? Wow. You're so cute. Sauce now. Where the second? Hi, Mama. Alisa. Alisa, baby. Alisa, Mama. Alisa, boo boo boo. Wait till me that how we name again. Ujiriagene. Hey guys, welcome back again to my channel. How you guys doing? So I'm about stepping out. Since I lose my hair, I haven't even combed it, talk more of washing it. So it's so painful. I just want to go and wash it and fix any simple sharp style, because as you guys know, I'm still in Omugwo and Kasima is in school, and Kasima is in school right now. So I want to fix a quick style that 1 hour 30 minutes we are done before Kasima dismissed from school. Then after fixing my hair, I think I will rush to the market and buy catfish. I want to prepare catfish pepper soup for my neighbor. She enjoyed my catfish pepper soup a lot. So after fixing the hair, I'll rush to the market, buy catfish pepper soup. Then maybe from there, I'll pick up Kasima from school. We'll start coming back and continue our Omugwo. So you guys should enjoy this vlog. Catch you.
Of the righteous, but the Lord saves him from them all. The enemy will dig a pit and fall into it, but the righteous will move by the power of the Lord. Onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli, onye chigozeli. chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse.
School gear. You say, eh? How was school today?
School.
How was school today?
School.
How was school?
School.
Say fine.
Fine.
Oh, yeah, go inside. Open the door. Go inside. Hey, how do you guys see my management hair? Very simple. So we just got back home right now. The woman finished the hair at exactly 1:30, Kasima's closing time. So I just have to go straight to her school and pick her up. Then went to the market with her. Just that I didn't go to the big market. I just branched there. There is one small market in my area. So that was where I ended up buying the catfish. I didn't go to the big market again. I just bought the one I see there. Very small thing. If you see what very small tiny fish they sold for 2,000 naira for me. But you know me, sha. As long as it's fish. So this is my hair. I don't sweat, scatter all the whole baby hair where these people do for me. Oh. So tell me what you think about my hair in the comment section.
Of the righteous, but the Lord saves him from them all. The enemy will dig a pit and fall into it, but the righteous will move by the power of the Lord. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili, onye chigozili, onye chigozili, who God is blessed, no man can curse. Onye chigozili.
Hey guys, so we are done cooking the catfish pepper soup. I wanted to package it in a food flask, but on a second thought, she stays in the next flat here, so there's no need packaging it. Let me just kukuma carry it to the pot. So when I get there, I will dish it out for her, and then I'll also dish out mine, because not all of us they do the omugwo, so I'll still eat from there. So there is no need, since it's not that too much. What is scratching you? Eh? Hey God. So Look at the hair I go fix today. Oh, the baby hair, I don't sweat, scatter the baby hair. I don't sweat, scatter the baby hair. What is scratching you? Your back. I don't know what is scratching Kasima since she came back from school. No? Eh? Sorry. Should I remove your clothes? I should remove it. Say hi, guys. Jesus! See what I'm seeing? See now! See food now! See my neighbor! Tell your neighbor ever! You don't follow? I'm This is beautiful! Thank you, my darling. My God will bless you. I beg you, don't do. Remove it for God will repent you. Jesus! See your shout! Jesus! I beg go sit down, man, with my dish. Wow! This kid don't enter this kitchen once. No. I can't carry her enter kitchen. Mama, you're so sweet. You're so sweet. Oh man, see food now.
Someone in my pieces, you're beautiful, Nemato Monobi, Iburu Moto, Ibu Jifu, Iburu Rice, Ibu Jalofu, Iburana, Inona Saiti, Imabugomo, someone, in my pieces, Wanka, Ibu Muake Bumado, Iburu Moto, Ibu Jifu, Iburu Rice, Ibu Jalofu, Iburana, Inona Saiti, Imabugomo, someone. Ide mama, someone, baby bo, ifega sobuemo, someone, mama, dano kanyi bego, someone, mbenye $1, someone. Ide mama, someone, baby bo, ifega sobuemo, someone, mama, dano kanyi bego, someone, mbenye $1, someone. Ide mama, someone, baby bo, ifega sobuemo, someone, mama, dano kanyi bego, someone. $1, someone.